Hey guys, my name's Kaycee and I'm going to bring you guys along for our new garden journey. We've been in our house for about a year now. Last year with COVID and everything just the way it was, we were really busy just kind of living in our house. So we planted some blueberries and last year we pretty much stuck to annuals and perennials, but this year we're really excited about a new produce garden for us. Hey guys, so we live in Michigan and 2 weeks or so it was 81 degrees, but today it was snowing. And not just like a little snow, like kind of a lot of snow. I always read in the Farmer's Almanacs that you want to plant your garden about May 10th and later for this particular reason, because you're always going to be, it always might snow, you never know. So we're off to get supplies so we can get our garden started. Hey guys, so I'm at the store and I see that there's two different types of tomato cages. This one's a tomato tower and then this is your standard tomato cage. My mother-in-law, she's a really good gardener, especially on her vegetables, and she told me about this tomato tower. So it's a little bit more money, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try and then we'll see how it does. This one right here, I did some tomatoes in buckets last year. So I'm gonna do both this year just to try them out. I'm gonna do some in buckets and some regular just to see how they do. So I'll pick up one of each. Hey guys, so I'm looking at different raised garden beds. This one is about a foot high. We noticed living in our house for a year now that we kind of have a little rabbit infestation, you know. They multiply like crazy and I swear they all ended up at our house. So what we're trying to do is find one that's about 2 foot tall just to keep the rabbits out. So we're gonna try it, see how it goes, and if it doesn't work, we're gonna have to put a fence up. So there's lots of options on raised garden beds, but for us, I think that we're looking for something a little bit different. Love the looks of these feeding troughs. They're exactly what I'm looking for. I love just that, you know, farmhouse feel of them, and I think they're going to be good for our rabbit problem. They're about 2 foot high, and looks like they're going to keep them out. We're just going to have to drill some drain holes in the bottom. We should be good to go. Cultivator. I heard it's going to help with weeding, and I have 2 littles at home, so I need all the help I can get. It's going to be the home of our future garden, so looks pretty rough right now, but we're going to put the new feeding troughs in and get it going, and we're excited for you guys to be on the journey.